Hello and welcome to Big Bible Words, where we discover big Bible words together. Hello and welcome to Big Bible Words, where we discover big Bible words together. Now, this time our word is God. Now, you might think that's not a very big word, but in terms of its impact on the Bible and on Christianity itself, it's massive. Now, you may have heard this word before. People use this word all the time, sometimes for not very good reasons. However, today we're going to discover how amazing this word is and how special it is for Christians today. Now, the God of the Bible is found in the first book of the Bible. In fact, in the first words of the Bible, it says, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." The Bible tells us that God made absolutely everything. And in the end of the Bible, it tells us in Revelation that God is there and he says, "I will come again soon," as the one who is ruling and reigning over all. He's not a fairy tale, but a very real person, someone who you can get to know, love, and cherish. In fact, this book is written by him and is all about him. So, what's he like? Well, firstly, he is holy. He is free from all sin and all evil. He is perfect. He is holy, and it reflects in his actions too. His love, his justice, his salvation is holy. It's separate, it's different from you and me. There is no wrong in him, and there's no blemish on his record. He's also sovereign. He rules and he reigns. In other words, he's the greatest ruler and authority ever. He has the power. He is in control of all our lives and situations that you face. So remember, whatever you face today, remember God is in control. In fact, the Bible goes one step further and tells us that God has great plans for every single person on the planet. Plans to prosper and not to harm, and plans to give hope and a future. He is good. He is kind and generous and full of sympathy. Like the best of fathers, he's not harsh or unreasonable. He listens when we call to him. He reacts and comforts us in any of our situations. It means that we can truly rely on him and trust him. And he is love. The definite article, you may say. The very definition of who and what love is. In fact, the Apostle Paul would put it like this: "But God demonstrates his own love to us in this: while we were still sinners, Christ died for us." His love isn't earned by what we say or what we do. He gives it away anyway and freely to anyone who trusts in him. There is so much more that we could say, but let's just call that the foundation, because everything else we'll discover in future episodes comes from the heart and the mind of a truly awesome God. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that episode. Please do let me know what you think of Big Bible Words. But for now, why not click around? There's plenty more videos like story time and assembly time for you to watch, or subscribe so you don't miss another episode. But for now, my name's Paul. That was Big Bible Words, and I'll see you next time.